So this is the class that you will need to do. Now you will can see do the given workbook page number 24 in the workbook. After that, the rest of the question, these are the descriptive questions, which is from your textbook. You need to do it in your history notebook. Okay, Ji. Shall we start?
Yes.
By one. Today, now you people need to tell me that the correct answer of a book. Okay? Now, when the Aurangzeb died, the British possessed just three trading bases: Madras, Chennai, Bombay, and Dash. Just raise your hand, then you
Kolkata.
need to unmute. One by one, I want answer at one time from each student. Yes, Hajra.
Kolkata.
Okay, the correct answer is Kolkata. The strongest ruler in India were the Dash. Who gonna tell me the answer? Fiza.
Mughals.
True. But their power steadily declined. The Persian emperor. Raise your hand. Let me check in the list. Zainab Sarfaraz.
सेकंड वाले का आंसर क्या है?
What is the answer for the second? Who gonna
Nadir
tell him?
Shah.
Who gonna tell him the correct answer for the second blank?
Miss third one का Nadir Shah है.
Okay, and what about the second one?
Mughals.
Mughals. Yes, Zainab, you are right. That is Nadir Shah. Attacked Delhi and returned home with much plunder, including the famous Dash. Sami.
Peacock throne.
True. Peacock Throne. Very good. Both of the British and the Dash worked to protect the increase their power. Who gonna tell me the correct answer? Let me check the list. Please raise your hand and I'll unmute you.
French.
Wait. Okay, geez. Samin. Okay. Yes, Hurena.
French.
And what is the next one, Hurena?
Miss which one?
After the French,
Clive.
Cliff. The
Cliff.
Dash.
The
What come?
British.
Yes, the British. I want other people to participate in this discussion. Fuzail, Khizar, Fuzail Barki, Ramsha, Umar Taslim, Hamza, Sara, Mahiba, Mariam. Okay, Ji. The next one is defeat the French and the after victory at the Battle of Dash and Dash. Wait. Yes, Hamza, are you there?
Which is का
Yes, miss.
Please tell me the blank number
मैं बताऊं?
9
इस पर
and
मैंने
10.
वर्कबुक नहीं की हुई.
Why?
इस पर बुक नहीं की हुई.
You do not have it?
No, miss. इसमें
And what is the next answer after the place?
Books.
Yes, who gonna tell me?
Buxar.
Buxar. True. The southern state of the Dash. Maheen.
Miss.
Yes, Fuzail Raza. Fuzail Barki. Unmute yourself, Fuzail Barki.
सिंध सिंध
जिसका टाइम कितने बजे तक है?
सिंध
The southern state of.
मिस मिस मैसूर
Yes, Mysore. Despite the brave resistance of its ruler. What was the name of the Mysore ruler? Maheen.
Ranjit Singh.
Uh-huh. Fiza.
Miss मैं बताऊं?
Yes, Fiza. True. Yes, Zainab, what are you saying?
मैं बताऊं?
Speak up.
Miss, can you repeat the answer?
Please tell me the name of the ruler of Mysore in the fourth last line.
Tipu Sultan.
Tipu Sultan also fell to the British. Later, the British conquered Dash. Nahin, except Fiza. Ayan Shahzad, Ayan Asif, Mahiba, Arshia.
मिस कौन सा बताना?
Third last one. Later, the British conquered Sindh. True. And the Sikh kingdom built up by Dash Dash.
Miss, may I tell?
Raise your hand so I'll see it. Raise your hand in the option.
Miss, it's built up by Ranjit Singh.
By Ranjit Singh. Okay. Tell me the last one answer. The last blank, the very last blank. Yes, Khizr. Khizr. I want answer from Khizr side.
Yes, miss. Last wala.
Yes.
Sindh.
Last, the very last blank.
Princess.
Yes, princess. And the second last one, the only the date is given, that is 1850. Okay, so okay, now who gonna tell me the correct match the following? Which event occurred in 1738? Raise your hand.
But
Peter, raise your hand now. Sami.
Miss, fourth one, Persian Empire.
Persian Emperor. What are you saying, Sami?
Persian Emperor Nadir Shah invades Mughal India.
Is he correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, true. Great, Sami. Yes, he's correct. The event which was occurred in 1738, that was the Persian Emperor Nadir Shah invades Mughal India. What was the event occurred? Which event was occurred in 1764? Who gonna tell me?
Miss.
Tell me
Miss.
the answer of 1764 event.
Miss number 3, British victory at Buxar win Bengal.
Bengal. ठीक है. Is it correct or not?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
What would be the correct answer of 1799?
Miss.
Okay,
Yes.
Jeeva, you want to say something?
Yes, miss.
Please.
Miss, may I tell?
Ramsha is speaking.
Tipu Sultan of Mysore dies fighting the British.
Yes, very good, Ramsha. Yes, 1799, the Tipu Sultan dies fighting the British. What was the correct event of 1843?
General Napier.
मिस मैं बताऊं?
It is not the मैं बताऊं. You need to raise your hand in the option. Ayan Shahzad.
Yes, miss.
Yes, tell me, beta, the correct event of 1843.
General Napier conquers Sindh.
General Napier conquers Sindh. And as usual, you all know that the last one would be 1850. That is the
First one. Governor
Lord
Dalhousie.
Dalhousie has the first railway line built in India. So now this is the task that you will have done, and everybody participate in this discussion. Literally, seriously, I appreciate your effort. That at least you people is spoken and in the discussion, and that's great.